Welcome to our hot tub starting up and refilling guide. When filling your spa for the first time or refilling after a water change, the following basic guidelines will help you get on and stay on the right track. Fill your spa through the filter housing, allowing the water to come out of the jets. Avoid filling in the main spa area, as this can invite airlocks in your pipework. Once full, you need to add your sanitizer and balance your water. For your sanitizer, you need to use test strips to check and ensure you reach correct level of 3 to 5 parts per million of chlorine. Also, using test strips, check your alkalinity and pH levels. You need to adjust to achieve the following levels. Alkalinity between 80 and 120 parts per million. pH between 7.2 and 7.6 parts per million. Remember, adjust your alkalinity first, as it acts as a buffer, helping you to achieve a stable foundation for the pH to sit. Remember to check your levels again as your water gains temperature. The increase in temperature may affect your reading, requiring further alteration. Now you are up and running, see our other videos to best manage your spa water.